Finally, I'm showing my face on my videos. Okay, so the issue is last time I was recording using OBS and my settings literally went to, I can say, default, and it was really stuttering. I can say stuttering as stuttering. So today we're going to talk about Smoothload. It's an Unreal Engine 5 plugin that will help you to load a part of your scene or a chunk at runtime with no stutters, right? So if I go to my Unreal Engine, I will create a new scene. I will call it ideally the ground first, and then I will give it a name. Main scene, I think. And then if I go to my demo room, blueprints, demo room, there is this room here which comes with Unreal. It's free, by the way. I will leave a link for you guys to use it. And the play starts. I will put it at least here, so that when you click play, we can. I didn't put the game override, that's why we have no character. Yep. Next thing is, yeah, I think that's all. So if I go back to my demo room, quick Smoothload documentation here. I need to create at least something that will load at runtime, right? So I will set up like, let me put even cubes, no problem. I click Alt. These are whatever that these cubes here are the one we will consider as things to load at runtime. So in my let me duplicate them. Yeah, and now I need to put them in a folder at least. Control Shift S. So now if I look for SML, you will see we have dynamic zone. This is what we need to load and unload a zone. So basically a zone will literally just capture everything that is in it, right? And it brings us a sub-level. So if I go to my detail panel, I go down, we will see a shape, box extent. I need to put it small so it fits that zone there, right? So let me do this. Yeah, I think that's good. This is good. So yeah, it don't matter. It's not a problem if it's kinda it's overflowing, you can say. It's going out this zone, but as it's passing, it won't be taken. So now I will click on this zone. I will call it, let me give it a name. I clicked F1. You need to click F2. F2, which is rename. I will call it zone 1. And then I can build it. Here in this zone, I can click build zone. But before that, don't click before that, you need to check, is your zone in a blueprint? Yes, we have this room here, which is a blueprint. Means we need to exclude our blueprint, our room. And then everything in Unreal is in the sky sphere. If you got a sky sphere, literally everything that you were saying is in it. So in the folder, I will just exclude the wall folder here, lighting, and now I can build this zone. I will give it the name zone 1 underscore LV. Boom, and it will select only what you built. If you see something else selected, means you didn't build this one well. You need to move it out of that level. So if I click play, nothing is there, but if I approach myself, boom, it's there. Now the next thing will be to load it without bumping into it, because sometimes you don't need your object to pop up in front of your face, right? So we need a loader which will be kind of far away from it. So if I go to, since here we have a dynamic zone loader, I will place it on the Unreal logo. I will make it just small. This is our loader. I will put it on this side there, and a non-loader. I will also do the same for it. I'll put it on this side. And now if I do like we start by my loader, right? I drag at least. I select my loader, I go down, you will see sync to target, but target zone, you need to click the zone you created, which for us is zone 1, and you sync target. And then the unloader, we do the same, right? In the zone to unload, right, you will see a plus here, and then you pick the zone 1. But for here, if you don't see the sync there, you can go down and click sync. And now in my zone 1, for me to see if these are linked to this one, I will go down to the debug, and then debug show connection. Yeah, and now I can click play. You will see that there, load and unload. And let me take a cool game override, which is already there, but my game also it's there. Is it? Do you have 2 game starts? I don't think so. No, there is not. Yeah, so now I can go there and then load and unload, load and unload, load and unload, load and unload. So yeah, fast. Now we need the third one, which is travel trigger. It's just a trigger which will make you change the level, but it's really not good to use. Let me show you. I just put it small there. And now the travel trigger need a scene, right? So let me create a quick scene, even this basic here. I'll call it second level, second underscore LV. Second level, and if I go back to my main scene, I will select my travel trigger. I will go down to here, target level. I will just select the second level and click this small icon. Now if I click play and I go to this pillar, I think it's here. Is it here? Oh, that's one. Yeah, it was the other one. So if I run here to my pillar, I will literally bump into the thing. But the issue with this one is we don't have any control over what is loading because it's just popping. So let me show you. What if we put a big scene here? I have a third person map modified. If we put a big scene on it, right, you will see some issues. I will work on it. Boom. Now see, right? You will see top on our top left, and then on the bottom right, paper and 30 meshes, and then also there shadow compiling and everything, and it should just bring you there. Pam. You wait. So you see, right? And it will start with really bad FPS and stuff. Okay, the reason might be because the water I'm using. Let me do this max FPS. I don't want to cap it. Hold on, you can cap. Yeah, I don't want. Let me put medium. I don't need no bloom, no motion blur. VSync, yes. Intelligent. I don't think this work even. I don't need this. Global illumination. No. This is no. 0. This one is not working at all. And yeah, that's all. So now I can literally run in it. But the thing is, you see on the screen there is a need lighting built and everything. Maybe because we didn't build the lights, of course, but still we didn't have anything special. So for that, we'll need at least to create a load screen so that it will bring us in that level. So for that, we'll need 2 things, right? A blueprint and a widget blueprint. So the widget blueprint is just what it will like load this game. We'll see that small loading and the thing rotating, and then the widget, the blueprint will be the one that will load actually. So I'll create an actor. We'll call it trigger, Guys, you don't know how many times I recorded this video, by the way, because of my OBS. And then this one, we'll call it WBP, and then loading screen, or loading S. And now I will start with my loading screen, right? I will put a canvas, and then I will put a text. Let me start with a progress. A progress. But I have some special progress bars here. Do I need this one? Is boring. Zigzag progress bar, straight progress bar, radial. Let me put a radial. Do I care? I don't. So 100 by 100, the resolution, even 50. The fill brush color. I don't have any color palette here, but I need to install at least a plugin which got like cool color palettes. If I test 30%, yeah, it's good looking. Let me add the resolution, and now I will put it on there. Let me put a border. I will put it the first, and I click control. Control, boom, and then it's gonna be black. No, this here, black. Okay. And then I will need a text. I'll need a text. Even there. I click control again. No, control that. Hold on. My text. Yeah. I click control and I place it there, and then I drag it over here. Then I will do loading. Can I put it in this? No, I can't. So I'll just do this. Loading. Compile, save, and my loading screen, I will call it loading bar. Yeah, loading bar. And make sure it's a variable. So now in my trigger, let me drag it even. Let me put it here on the Unreal logo. The trigger, it's empty for now, but I will need a box collision. Box collision. Box system, let me do 50, 50, 50. 50, 50, 50. Now in the event graph, right? I will create on begin play when just the game start. No, when we walk on our collider, begin of a lap, I will need literally to just create the widget. Create widgets. We need to create the widget. I'm literally WBP underscore loading S. That's what we created. I set it to, I promote to variable as loading S var as variable, and then I can add it out of viewport. Yeah. Now we need to touch on our load, Smoothload subsystem. So load subsystem, and then we get our main loader, gets loader, and now we can request a load level. These params here, we need to split it because right now it's literally just whatever. We need to split it, split struct bin, and in the level I can literally look for my. We don't have any level, but let me just do a village night. No, let me do village. Oh no, let me just pick whatever advanced lighting. Let me see. Demonstration. What is this? Oh, let me do demonstration. I don't know that level at all. So compile weight 0.1, visible weight 0.2, and yeah. So and we allow this one here, and after we can. So after requesting a load level, we can also assign load progress, and it will create a custom event over here. So now if I go around here, I can do I'll also split this one here, and this is one we're gonna get, the combined one, right? So I will get my loading screen, and then I get my progress bar, get progress, what do they call it, get loading, yeah, loading bar, and I can set percent set percent as our combined progress. And then now let me, yeah, I think that's all. And no, in the open mode, don't forget, always set it to open as main, please, because if you don't, it will literally just crash your engine. You understand? I hope you do. So now let me, I don't know what is that level I just set up at. Anyway, let me make it bigger. I drag it there. Now if I click play, and then I walk till that side there. Boom. Now we wait. I think the big level, because it's from a restaurant scene or whatever, and I don't know that scene. It's loading. I see some stuff on the screen shaking. Oh, I can see some the loading is in progress. Yeah, it's a big scene. So we can wait just. So yeah, how are you doing, guys? Are you good? Are you guys enjoying your day or whatever? Did you take some coffee? Oh shit, it worked. And then rail process, of course. If it was like a runtime, we couldn't even have this bullshit. And now it's done because my mouse disappeared, and we are literally under the the ground, which is crazy. But it's still processing some stuff. I cannot even move. What the fuck? I can't do shit because the level I chose is literally I'm on the. At least you guys understand. What is this level even? But yeah, anyway, you guys understand what I was doing, right? So it worked, and I don't want this video to be longer than this. So guys, bye and see you.